Imagine walking through the historic halls of the UK where leaders are made. Rewarding, isn't it? With Uni Scholars as your trusted guide, you can fulfill your dreams of studying an MBA in the UK. But here's the big question. Which university should you choose? Which is the right place to get the best education for your career ahead? Well, we have a list of top emerging universities and their MBA programs that can open up the doors of endless possibilities for you. Let's find out. Number 1 on our list is the University of Greenwich. Its 2 years MBA stands out for its specializations, experiential learning, and sustainability. Choose a focused track from investment banking, international shipping, supply chain management, and more. The program offers a one-on-one mentorship opportunity with an industry professional. This guide provides specialized industry insights and career guidance. Additionally, the university's location on the Greenwich campus is right next to Canary Wharf, London's financial district, providing a stimulating environment if you're interested in starting your own thing or learning about business, which I'm sure you are. Let's see the university highlights here. Next on our list is the University of Sunderland, which offers a 24-month MBA designed to launch tech-driven careers. Hands-on artificial intelligence and big data modules ensure you graduate with in-demand digital skills. The University of Sunderland MBA curriculum is structured around a series of core modules delivered 2 per semester. Each module provides comprehensive online learning resources, ensuring convenient access to all necessary materials. Additionally, weekly seminars offer interactive learning experiences, allowing students to engage with peers and industry professionals as they dive deeper into module topics. Here are the university highlights. University of Hertfordshire. How can we miss the world-famous University of Hertfordshire, which builds creative confidence and an entrepreneurial mindset? Over half of its MBA projects are startup business plans, with recent graduates launching fashion e-commerce sites, fitness apps, and digital banking platforms. From its start as a leading educator within Britain's aeronautical industry, today the University of Hertfordshire has become an educational force in business studies. Oh, and with London only 30 minutes away, you gain access to Europe's top VCs and accelerators. Amazing, isn't it? Check out the university highlights here. Cardiff Metropolitan University. Cardiff Metropolitan offers a sport, health and international management focus suited to Wales proteins and culture. Hands-on analytics and digital modules prepare students for today's data-driven roles. Their commitment to research is quite evident in the REF 2021, where 79% of their research was ranked internationally excellent or world-leading. Adding to that, their career service assists you throughout your studies and for 3 years after graduation. In fact, 96% of postgraduates secure employment or further study within just 6 months of graduating. Well, I love this fact about this university. De Montfort University. Finally, De Montfort University provides an MBA tailored to public sector leadership and healthcare management. Delivered in the heart of England, this program integrates values-driven case studies on topics like social justice and community development. Recent MBA graduates now hold director and manager roles in leading companies across UK and county governance. Check out the university highlights. And there you have it. We have listed the best-in-class universities where you can pursue your MBA degree and land some of the best opportunities. But how do you start? Well, worry not. Apply with Uni Scholars, your one-stop study abroad solution. We have direct partnerships with these universities that can help you fast-track your admission process. All the resources are mentioned in the description below, so make sure you check that out as well. and all the very best.